Hello children, here we are going to perform the activity in the lesson 4 sorting material into group in class 6, that is seeing through the material. By seeing through the material we can classify the different objects into transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Now which material we are needed to perform this activity. The material needed are glass sheet, polythene sheet, butter paper, rubber sheet, block of wood and sharpened pencil. Now we will take first we will take the sharpened pencil and we will try to observe this sharpened end of the pencil through polythene sheet. Now try to observe the tip of the pencil through the polythene sheet. Is it visible? Yes, you can see the sharpened end of the pencil through the transparent sheet of the plastic. Now we try to see the tip of the pencil through the another material, that is the glass sheet. Can you see the tip of the pencil clearly? Yes, we can see the tip of the pencil clearly. Now you will try to see the tip of the pencil through the butter paper or wax paper. Can you see the tip of the pencil clearly? No, we can see, but we cannot see the tip of the pencil clearly. Now you try to see the tip of the pencil through rubber sheet. Is it visible? No, we can't see the tip of the pencil. Now try to see the tip of the pencil through the block of wood. Do you see the tip of the pencil? No, it's not visible. Now what we can conclude from this activity? Now we can conclude that on the basis of seeing through material they are grouped into the three groups. First one, that is the transparent, through which we can see clearly. The example are glass sheet and the plastic sheet. The second category, that is the wax paper, they are called translucent, wax paper or butter paper, through which we can see but not clearly. Third category of the substance, that is called opaque objects, through which these are the material through which we cannot see clearly. These are the rubber and block of wood. Thus, on the basis of the seeing through the material, we can classify the group into three groups: transparent, translucent and opaque material. Thank you.